Hello, let's factorize these expressions completely, starting with number 1. 6y squared subtract 18xy. Let's find the HCF of these two terms, 6y squared and 18xy. So the HCF will be 6 is a part of that HCF because 6 can go into 6 and 6 could go into 18 without leaving a remainder. Y is also a part of that HCF because y can go into the first term and also in the second term. We cannot include x in the HCF because the first term does not have an x. As you can see, 6y squared does not have an x. So when we factorize out 6y from 6y squared, we can divide 6y squared over 6y, subtract 18xy over this 6y. As you can see, we divide both terms by the HCF. So let us simplify now. 6 into 6, 1, and y into y squared is y. 6 into 6, 1, 6 into 18, 3. Y into y, 1, y into y, 1. So we have y over 1, which is y. Take away 3 times 1 is 3 times x is 3x over 1, which is 3x. So this is the answer for number 1, and we can check our work. If we multiply 6y by y, we get back 6y squared. Subtract 6y times 3x, 6 3s are 18, and y times x is xy, so we get back 18xy. So there's a way to check our work. Let's go on to number 2. 4m squared subtract 1. This is an example of a difference of two squares. So we find the square root of 4m squared, and we get 2m. So 4m squared is equal to 2m to the power 2. Subtract square root of 1 is 1 squared. So we express the expression, or we write the expression as a difference of two squares. We then follow this pattern where the 2m would come here, and the 1 would come here and here. One of the brackets needs a plus sign and the other bracket needs a subtraction sign, and this is our answer whenever we have a difference of two squares. So this is called a difference of two squares. Let's go on to number 3. This is called a quadratic expression. 2t squared subtract 3t subtract 2, and we multiply 2 by negative 2 to get negative 4. We then look for two numbers that add up to negative 3 but multiply to give negative 4. So those two numbers are negative 4 and plus 1. Okay, because negative 4 plus 1 will give negative 3, and negative 4 times 1 will give negative 4. So we replace negative 3t by negative 4t plus t. Okay, so now we have 2t squared minus 4t plus t subtract 2. So this is what we are factorizing, two terms at a time. We take out the HCF from the first two terms. So we get 2t, and when we factor this out, 2 into 2, 1, and t into t squared is t, minus 2 into 4, 2, and t into t, 1, so we get 2 here, plus 1. We want to get the same bracket, t subtract 2 on the inside. So as you can see, we have the same brackets, so we can go one more step and take out t minus 2 as our common factor, and we would have 2t plus 1 on the inside of the other bracket. If we multiply these terms, or if we expand these brackets, we'll get t times 2t is 2t squared, t times 1 is 1t, and we will have minus 4 times minus 4t plus t would give negative 3t, and we have negative 2 times 1 giving negative 2. Okay, so if we multiply these terms, we get back our question. Thanks for watching. Do have a good day.